Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Have you been struggling to snipe your profit and you cannot, before you snipe your profit, you'll be down to how many percent? Don't worry, today's video I will show you how you can snipe on Solana by using Bonk bot. So with that being said, my name is Mr. X. I do this kind of tutorial of crypto gems. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to like, share, and turn on the notification bell. And if you're also a new creator, don't forget to follow here on Twitter, so we follow together. Follow on Twitter, so follow together. So, and what you're going to do first is to, in this video description, is to use the link for the video description. Then once you use the link, it will bring you here automatically. So what you're going to do next is you click here where you see start. Yeah, I'll be teaching you everything you need to know step by step, how you can actually deposit Solana and also trade your first token, right? So what you're going to do first is to come here to where you see start. Click here where you see start. You will see us like this. So what you're going to do right next is to come this place where you see menu. Come view trading. Then click here where you see home, right? Be changing some setting on the way we buy the percentage and everything. So what you're going to do, right, is to come here to where you see setting. Click on setting, right? So these are the menu of the setting we are going to be set. We will not set everything, we'll just set some small part of it, right? So what you're going to do right here, if you come here to this place where you see save, this place right here where you see sell, right, is the left here is 25%, while the right is 100%. So what we're going to do, right, is to come here to click on this place. Then we'll be putting 50%, meaning if the price goes up to 50%, which is our 50, let me say we are not going to sell all the old token, we'll be selling 50%. If the price is still going up, which is this, right, we'll be selling 100%. So let's just put 50% and click on send. Can see that it changed to 50%, which is this sell button. Which is this sell button? Why this right? We're going to leave it to 100%, right? What this means is that this right means that if we sell 50% of our token at first, we'll leave the rest. So once we have maybe the token started going up, this 100% will sell everything. So this side here we see buy here. So if you are buying with one Solana, which is you are going in each trade with one Solana, you have to leave it. So we are not going in each trade with one Solana. We have to just change this to, also we are not that rich, zero. We're going to change it to 0.0. Let's just put 0.03, 0.02. Click on it. That means that each of these trade will be going in with 0.03 Solana. You can see once we come here, it changed to 0.02 Solana. So in this right, we're going to put like 0.2 Solana, 0.3 Solana, or 0.2 Solana. Yeah, let's just leave it like that, 0.3 Solana. You can see that it changed to 0.3 Solana. So what we're going to do right next, come here to where you see this. I'm coming. Secure. I'm coming. So what you're going to do right now is you see where you see secured, right? This secure, we're going to put it to turbo, right? Click here to put it to turbo. So this way you'll be able to, you'll be fast, right? It will be fast, which means the transaction will be autopilot. So what we're going to do next is the transaction fee. Right now it's currently at medium. It's currently on medium. So if you want to change it to higher, you'll be paying 0.005 Solana for each transaction fee. When you change it to highest, very high, we'll be paying 0.01 Solana. So let's just put it at medium. So let's leave it here at medium. So now guys, we already set. So what we're going to be doing right now, so let's go back to what we did, right? So what we did right here is that we'll come into where you see, we start here where you see buy, right, or where we see sell. We change it here to the left. We change it to 50%, while the right we change it to 100%. While here where you see buy button, buy configuration, we change this to 0.02 Solana, and the right we change it to 0.02 Solana. Then we come here to where you see secured. Here was secure, then we turn it to turbo, and come here to where you see transaction fee. We actually put here where you see medium. So what we'll be doing next, right, is to come here to show our wallet, right? To come back here, come in here to click here where you see wallet. Click this place where you see wallet. Then this is our wallet right here. This is our wallet. Right now, we do not have any token in it. So what we'll be doing right now is to use our private key. So we're going to, before you send money or deposit money on it, you need a private key to be able to put to your Phantom wallet so that you can actually deposit to deposit into this wallet. So let's do it. What you're going to do right is to come into this place where you see expose seed phrase. Click on it. Listen, do not expose your seed phrase, right? Do not expose your seed phrase. In this video, I'll just be doing it because I will not be using this wallet after this video. What I'm going to do next is to click here where you see I understand I can only expose once. Click on it, then click here where you see start. Then click here where you see I understand and proceed. Then this is your seed phrase right here. This is your seed phrase. All you just have to do is to copy your seed phrase. Then we'll be going here to Phantom wallet. Have your Phantom wallet and come in. Phantom. We'll be putting the seed phrase. This is my old Phantom wallet. So what we'll be doing right here is to come here to go back to come here to where this place right here. So click on it. We'll be adding. Come here to where you see add wallet. Click on it. Then come here to where you see input seed phrase. Click on it. Then that seed phrase will copy at first. Paste it here. Then impute it. Then click here you see impute. So then it's already imputing our seed phrase. Then click here where you see continue. So this is our new wallet right here. This is our new wallet. What we'll be doing next is to send Solana to this address through Bybit. We'll be using Bybit to send Solana to this address, this account we just created right now. Right is to click here where you see withdraw. We are sending this money to Phantom wallet right now. Click here where you see withdraw. Then select the coin. You can see Solana right here. Select Solana. Then automatically take you to this place where you can actually withdraw your Solana. So let's go back to Phantom wallet. Come here to our new Phantom wallet we created. So on this Phantom wallet, you're going to find where you see Solana right here. Click on Solana. Then you're going to see here where you see this receive. Here where you see receive, click on receive. Then you're going to copy this your address. Copy it, right? Then go back to here. Go back to your bybit account. Then paste the address here. Paste the address. Then what you're going to do next is to select the network. Click on network. It only allow Solana network, and the fee is about $1.57. Click on it, which is a lot right now. $1.75. Then what you just have to do here is to click here where you see max. Click on max. So click on max, or let's just do 0.3. Let's do 0.3. Then instead of all the $10, or let's just do everything. No, let's just do 0.3. I just want to do 0.38. Then what you're going to do next, make sure to always check this your address. Come back here to check your address. It's correct. 4-ish GZ-ish. 4-ish GZ-ish. So if you confirm it's correct, all you just have to do is to come here where you see withdraw. Click here where you see withdraw. So then click here where you see confirm. Click on confirm. Then they will send you code to your email. They will send you code to put to your email to verify. Click here where you see get code. Then they already sent me the code, so I'm going to my email now to put the code, right? So you can see the code right here. They send me the code on my email. I'm going to copy the code, right? Then I'm going to go back here. Then just paste the code right here. Paste it, and they also send me code to my authenticator. So I'm going to check my authenticator right now and use the code they send me. 7. Instead of using authenticator, you can actually use your number, right? Instead of using authenticator, you can use your number, but authenticator is more kind of more secure, like to secure your account. So you can see right here it said withdraw application submit. This once we receive the Solana from our bybit to this our account, so let's go back here to our Bonk bot. So what we'll be doing next is to refresh this Bonk bot. You can see that we have our balance is now showing 0.055 Solana. So what we're doing right now is to buy a token, right? So what we're doing right is to come here to where we see uh come here to where you see desk screener. You can actually download desk screener on your wallet on your app. So come here to desk screener and look for token you want to buy. So there is a lot of token right here to buy on desk screener. You can always come here to change the minute or the hour that the token was created. Let's just put 6 hour. So which means this token is being launched 6 hour ago. So you can see a lot of token right here. See this one. So which one are we going for? Let's just go for this. Do not buy any token, right? So I just want to do this as an example. Let's go for this one. Right. So this Edwin. So let's go for this one right here. So what we'll be doing right is to come here to look for the can come here to look for their Twitter, check their Telegram if they are active, and also come here to where you see chat and text to actually check their order. Then come here to where you see order, right? Click on order. So what this means is that you can see the top person here is holding 3.9%. 0.9%, which is good. 3.9%. So and the second one is also 2 point something percent, which is really fine. Then come here to chart. What we're doing here on chart is to check the the price chart of the token. So let's see. It's currently let's go to currently it's currently down right now. So what we're doing is this is a really nice token. Come here to where you see information bar. Go back here to this surface. Then come here to where you see copy, right? You're going to be copying this head win token. Click on it, right? Then copy it. What you'll be doing once you copy it, come back here to your bug bot and paste it right here. Paste the address right here. Then you will see an interface like this. So you see an interface like this. What we'll be doing right here, we want to buy. You click here where you see buy. You'll be buying 0.002. Then click here to click on buy. See that successful swap 50 something. So we just bought this token right now. You can see right here where it said successful swap and bought 470 something doing from 0.000 token for 6 point something million, right? So you can see we just bought our first token right here. You can see right now we are on minus 23% on the Solana. So you can always refresh to see how many percent. You can see we are on 0 point Solana. You can see we are still down here. You can always refresh to see how many percentage you you are on. So what you're gonna do right now is if you want to sell this token is to come here to where you see sell. If you see here where you see sell 100%, if you click on sell 100%, automatically sell all the token, which is 100%, right? Automatically sell all the token. If you come here to where you see sell percent, once you click on sell percent, you'll be putting the amount of percent you want to sell. If maybe you want to sell on 50%, this 50% of that your token will be sold automatically. Let's say you want to sell 50%. If you click on 50%, automatically you will sell 50% from the token. If you click on 100%, which means you'll be selling everything. 100, all the token will be sold. So let's go back here. Let's click on sell 100. Click on confirm. Successful sell. You can see that we successfully sold all our token, and you can see we lost by minus 0.3 token. So guys, that's how you can actually, once we come back here to our wallet, swap on it. So you should have seen the token on your wallet. You can see we are down to 7 point something. The token was in our wallet. We did not come to check that, which is really sad. Let's come here to transaction. You see the token. You can see right here coming. Come here to transaction. You can see the swap we swap right now. The first swap we swap. This is it right here. So So guys, I forgot to come here to show you the token. You can see it's right here. You can see when we swap back to Solana, you can see it right here. So guys, that's how you can actually buy and sell with Snapbot on Bugbot. So guys, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, share, and turn on notification bell. And don't forget to use the Bugbot link. Right, guys. So let's go.